Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to download or save TikTok Lite videos. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open TikTok Lite videos and get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your TikTok Lite account ID and password. To save this video, you need to tap on the share icon on right side just below the message icon. You tap on it. Here, you can see the option of save video beside of not interested and report. You tap on it. As you can see, the video is saving, that is, the video has been downloaded. Now, to see whether the video has been downloaded or not, you need to go to the gallery of your phone. At the very first, you can see the video from the TikTok Lite which I downloaded earlier. This is how you can download the videos from TikTok Lite. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to download or save TikTok Lite videos. Thank you.